My name is Jia Hao, and my group and I will be delivering a video presentation on wireless charging. There are two types of wireless charging, inductive charging and resonant charging. Inductive charging is the energy transfer between two objects by magnetic induction through an electromagnetic field. The charging base provides a fluctuating magnetic field, and by Faraday's law of induction, a current is produced in the receiver coil to charge the device. Next, resonant charging is a phenomenon coupled with inductive charging where the coupling becomes stronger as the power receiving side of the loosely coupled coil resonates. The concept of resonance is incorporated into wireless charging by tuning the sensitivities of the circuits and coil of the receiving devices to the specific frequency that the generator coil is generating. This triggers the charging-discharging reaction and produces a stronger current in the receiving device. Next, my groupmate Belavis will be talking about T standard and pros and cons of T charging.
The T standard is developed by an organization named Wireless Power Consortium, or WPC for short. They primarily utilize inductive charging in their charging systems. T standard was one of the first few standards that incorporated inductive magnetization into wireless charging technology. As such, with very little competitors and suppliers for wireless charging, most mobile device brands and wireless charging device manufacturers turn to T standard. Thus, WPC now dominates the wireless charging market. The advantages of T charging is that it is more aesthetically pleasing because it eliminates the potentially messy and tangled cables, which may pose as an electrical hazard. T charging also promotes durability as normal cable wear and tear over time. However, the T charging system is more environmentally friendly and sustainable as it removes the need to throw and replace cables. T standard also provides data security since it is a form of wireless transfer of energy, thus there is no threat from cable hacking. One of the disadvantages of T charging is that it is very inefficient because there's a significant loss of magnetic flux into the surroundings. Only about 60% of the power that is applied to the transmitter is transferred into the mobile device itself. Also, coils have to be placed in close proximity of each other with a maximum of 10 millimeters of distance, and it requires precise alignments of coils for relatively efficient charging, meaning the device has to be placed on the charging pad. The last disadvantage of T charging is that it can only charge up to one device at a time, making it rather time-consuming on top of its inefficient charging. Next, my group member Daryl will talk about A4WP standard and the potential applications of wireless charging.
A4WP, also known as Alliance for Wireless Power, is an organization formed by various companies such as Texas Instruments, Samsung, and Qualcomm. They have created and are currently undergoing further research to improve the A4WP standard, to ensure better efficiency and delivery of power to devices through wireless charging by using magnetic resonance charging. One of the current interfaces developed by A4WP is called Resonance. The system uses a large area for power transfer, allowing a single power transmitter to charge multiple devices at once. Additionally, it does not require accurate device positioning or line-ups to trigger charging, as long as they are within the inductor ring. We will now move on to the pros and cons of the Resonance system. For the advantages, firstly, the system promotes multiple device charging, which improves time efficiency and removes the need for waiting time by charging devices one by one. The second advantage will be spatial freedom, as it does not require precise alignment and allows buffer space between the charger and device. The device can be placed up to 3 meters from the charger. For the disadvantages, the standard faces certain technological restrictions due to compatibility issues. The transmitter frequencies used are limited to the industrial specifications of inductive charging standards. Last but not least, we will end off the presentation with some applications of wireless charging. PowerMat is one of the most common type of wireless charging technology where you can place your smartphone down on a pad to charge the battery. It is a device that creates specified areas on your counters, tables, where you can set your smartphone down to automatically charge it. This solves all inconvenience issues, having to carry around a charger, being especially inconvenient for iPhone users, as iPhones require a special charger which is not compatible with any other charger. PowerSquare is another technology that enables multiple device charging and is compatible with all T-compliant devices that have been released on the market. It is an adaptive, position-free system that utilizes a variety of transmitter coils to provide flexibility and scalability when charging multiple devices. We have come to the end of our video presentation. Thank you for watching.